Are you on your trampoline? Ooh, look at you bouncing. Let's see how long it takes you to notice the other thing over here. Look at him. What is that? Is that? What is that? Is that a choo-choo? This is from Grandma and Grandpa. Can you say thank you? Jonah, can you say thank you?
What do I?
He's like, Daddy, what do I do? Are these choo-choos?